I, where's everybody in this house? Mom! I'm so hungry. I'm starving and nobody's here. Oh, hey, Mirabel. Hey, Bruno. I am starving. So am I. Can you cook? Cook? No, I can cook. Oh, Mirabel, you can't get married if you don't know how to cook. Bruno, why do you sound like abuela? Well, it is true. You can't get married if you don't know how to cook. Why can I get married if I don't know how to cook? Because you can have children and you have to feed them. You got a point. But what are we gonna do about this now? I'm hungry. Oh, hi, guys. Hi, Antonio. Do you know how to cook? I'm just a child. I don't cook. I'm sorry. Why? We're so hungry, and Mirabel doesn't know how to cook. Oh, you're never gonna get. Oh, I know. I'm never gonna get married. Oh, big deal. I don't want to get married. I just want to eat. Oh, okay. All right, hold on, guys. I'll save you. Here, I'll get something for you. You can have this for dinner. You can have this for dinner. Yeah. I'll get one for myself as well. Oh, we don't want to play ball right now. I don't know what these giant things are, but we just want to eat something. Can you go to McDonald's? Oh, McDonald's. Oh, it's not necessarily good for you. I know, but I'm starving. Here, let's take a look. Oh, so it's a Mega Miniverse Make It Mini Food. Oh, dinner series. Oh, wow. So we can make dinner out of this bowl? Yeah, you can actually make your dinner and you can learn how to make it. Oh, yeah, so I can get married. Okay. All right, let's unbox them and see what it is. All right, who wants to go first? I'll go first because I'm starving. All right, Mirabel, go ahead. So this is dinner series 1 and it looks amazing and it looks real, so it's not good to eat, guys. It's only for dolls, okay? Let's unbox and see what Mirabel's gonna have for dinner. What's inside? What's inside? I don't know. I'm so hungry. Let's make some yum delicious. Wow, we have so many blind bags and we have a table and some recipes, and let's see, what else do we have? We have the tongs and we have a lot of blind bags. Wow. Oh, is that a lot of steps to follow? Because I don't really know how to cook. Oh, don't worry, I'll help you, Mirabel. All right, so first, guys, let's build our table. So we're gonna set this in right here like that. Then we're gonna put our tabletop just like this. Perfect. Oh wow, look how nice. And then we have our placemat to put it right here. And let's get unboxing our food. So let's see, what do we have in the first blind bag? It looks like we have some strawberries and some sliced strawberries. Yum, yum, I love strawberries. So let's put them on the table and let's see what else we have here. Oh, it looks like we have a fork. Of course, we need a fork. We're gonna put it on the table. And let's see what else we have in here in this blind bag. We have a beautiful plate. Oh, nice. So we're gonna put it right here. Excellent. What's next? Oh, yum. We have some waffles. They're my favorite. Can I eat them? Can I eat them? Wait, Mirabel. We have to put them on the plate. And we have to decorate our plate. All right, guys. We're gonna put them right here. How cute is this? They smell delicious. Yes, they do. Let's see what else we have in this bag. Oh, we have some whipped cream. Oh, this will be delicious with our waffles. Oh, how cute. I love it. Look how cute. Excellent. We put it on the side. And then, what else do we have here? Oh, syrup. Delicious. And we have our top. So we're just gonna place it. And we are ready to make Mirabel's dinner. Okay. So we got our tongs and the top to the cover. And so we're gonna take her waffles. We're gonna put them on the plate just like this. Then we're gonna put some syrup. And I know I love lots of syrup. Here we are, lots of syrup. I love it. Smells delicious. Get more, okay, just a little bit more. Just like that. Then, guys, we're gonna use our tongs to put some strawberries. I love strawberries. And just like this, we're gonna take some yummalicious strawberries and put them on the side, just like that. Oh, this looks delicious. I love it. And then we're gonna take our whipped cream and just put it on top, just like that. And there you are, Mirabel. Here is your dinner. Okay. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to eat it. All right, so you can move to the side and eat your dinner. And when you're done, don't forget to cover it so you can save it for later. Just like this. Yum, I'm so happy. I'm going. Bye-bye. Hey, can I get my dinner unboxed too? That looked delicious. I hope I get the waffles too. So let's see what Bruno has. We don't talk about dinner. I hope you get the waffles. They look delicious. Use some food. Let's get Bruno some food. Okay, let's see what do we have inside. Okay, we got a lot of blind bags. Let me build your dinner table so you can eat just like this and like this. Perfect. Now let's see our first blind bag. Let's see what we have. Oh, I don't think you got the waffles, Bruno. But I think you got something amazing too. Crumble. What is this? Alright, let's see what's next. You got chocolate. Wait, what? For dinner? I love it. Alright, let's see what else. More chocolate. Chocolate cream. Boy, am I lucky tonight. Alright. Let's see what else. Marshmallows. The last bag. You got a nice picture to make your s'mores parfait. I'm gonna have a s'mores parfait for dinner. That's awesome. I know, it's very fancy. Okay, let's see. I got a spoon. Of course, you need a spoon. And let's see, guys, we need the tongs. And let's make your dinner. First, we're gonna put the crumble in. Let's see if we can open this teeny tiny bag. So we're just gonna put them all inside the pitcher. Ooh, just like that. Ooh, looks amazing. And we made a mess. Oh, look at that, guys. Excellent. Now we're gonna put your marshmallows. Oh, wow. Let's try to use our tongues to put the marshmallows. Since they are a little bit bigger, we're gonna put a bunch of them. Yeah, put them all. I love marshmallows. Okay, Bruno. And I'm starving. No problem. We'll put them all. Oh, they're so tiny and super, super cute. And they smell really good. Alright, there we are. Is that enough? Yes, there is. Alright, guys. Now we got this done. Now we need our chocolate cream. So we're gonna open it. We need to open this. And just like that, we're gonna pour the chocolate right on top of the marshmallows. That looks delicious. Do you want more chocolate? Yes, please, yes. All right, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit more. Oh, how cool. Now we're gonna put this in the sunlight for a minute or two. We're gonna let it set. Hey, can you put some more marshmallows on top? Of course, I can put some more marshmallows on top. There we are. Beautiful. That's delicious. Hey, don't forget my chocolate bar. No, I'm not. I'm gonna put the chocolate bar right on top. Oh, wow. Wow, you have 3 pieces. Oh, how cool. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. It looks amazing. Oh, Bruno, you're gonna need to work out after this. And here's your spoon. And there you are, there's your dinner. Oh, I can't wait to enjoy it. All right, I'm gonna go and enjoy my dinner. Bye-bye, guys. I guess it's my turn. I wasn't so hungry, so I'm on the last one, but that's okay. I hope I have some delicious pie. All right, Antonio, let's see, what are you gonna have for dinner? It would be amazing if we get to make a pie. Let's see what Antonio's gonna have. These are so cute to make, guys. Okay. You definitely need an adult to help you. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's build Antonio's table first. I hope I have waffles. Everybody wants waffles for dinner. Waffles are good for dinner, I guess. Alright, and there is your and there's your placemat, and it says sunny side up. Oh, I wonder if you're gonna have some sort of eggs. I love eggs. I know you do. So let's see, what do we have in the first bag? So let's see if we can get an egg of what we're gonna make for dinner. We have some bread. Alright, and let's see what else we have in here. Is this peanut butter? Oh boy. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh no, you actually gonna have some healthy sandwich. You have avocado. So actually this is just a spread. It's not peanut butter. Awesome. And let's see what else we have in here. We have a nice plate. Excellent. And you also need a knife for your sandwich. And let's make your sandwich. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have something healthy. Yes, you're actually gonna have something healthy for dinner. Alright, we got the buns. And let's see. First, we're gonna take the bread out. Oh, these are so tiny and so cute. Okay. Oh, I dropped it. They're so tiny. Okay, so we're gonna take the bread and put it on your plate. Excellent. Then we're gonna take the spread and put it on the bread. Let's open this. Okay, now we're gonna take the knife and take a little bit of a spread and put it on your bread. Smells delicious. Yum yum. Excellent. Let's put it on this side as well. Oh, I can't wait to eat my sandwich. It looks delicious. Yes, it does. So now we're gonna let this set for a second. All right, let's put our avocado on the sandwich. Yum, yum. Okay. Wow, you guys. Maybe I should have this for dinner. Yum, avocado sandwich. It looks yummy. Oh, wow. You have the healthiest thing to eat. Now we're gonna put the other slice on top, just like that, and voila, you have a delicious sandwich. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Hey guys, you wanna come back and eat with me? Okay. You guys, my dinner is delicious. Oh, if you love to have chocolate for dinner, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Oh, and if you love to have waffles, delicious waffles for dinner, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like to have something healthy for dinner, don't forget to like our videos. Bye, guys. We love you. Mwah. Bye, guys.